As far as Doge support floor, it generally is presently 5 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Dogecoin cost examination especially is bullish today, or so they basically thought. Dogecoin for the most part has a medium-term obstruction at 6 cents, which especially is genuinely critical. Doge fall 6.76% in 7 days, which certainly is genuinely huge. The 13th of May 2023. In this video we will walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and sincerely attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly sought clarification on some pressing issues. What explicitly is momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin? All things considered, is Doge a generally excellent interest in an unpretentious manner? Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so forth, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, prior to jumping truly profound into the Doge specialized examination, fundamentally let us most certainly discuss the especially current economic situations in an essentially significant manner. Market investigation, which for the most part is genuinely critical, over the for the most part last 24 hours. There really was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital currency market to $120,109,556,157 in a genuinely large manner. In every practical sense, absolute exchanging volume really remains at $29,326,280,073, showing how Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so forth, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%, so Doge falls 6.76% in 7 days in an essentially significant manner, which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2% in a really significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58. Following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time period, showing how yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the Doge specialized examination, in every practical sense, let us in every practical sense discuss the especially current economic situations in a genuinely significant manner. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is up by 0.53 and at present exchanging at 43 cents, which fundamentally shows that Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a kind of significant way. These occasions generally show that the market truly is going in an exceptionally descending heading for fundamentally present moment, exhibiting that Dogecoin value examination is bullish today, which especially is very critical. As of now, a really broad kind of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. Most certainly further appearance how over the sort of last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $120,109,556,157, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Dogecoin backing and obstruction, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58, following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time period, showing how yet prior to plunging certainly profound into the Doge specialized examination, certainly let us truly discuss the especially current economic situations, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how Doge falls 6.76% in 7 days and in every way that really matters, significant way. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers by and large become commonly more especially dynamic and truly prevent the coin as cost from falling any further, which really shows that over the genuinely last 24 hours, there essentially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital currency market to $120,109,556,157 incredibly. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which merchants in a real sense move commonly dynamic and especially prevent the coin S cost from moving higher. Further appearance how XRP, the very local coin of XRP, really is up by 0.53 and right now exchanging at 43 cents, which especially shows that Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so forth, or so they explicitly thought. Following in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin. Dogecoin execution, the cost of Dogecoin especially is at 7 cents, up 0.85% in every way that really matters. Recent hours and in a real sense has a value change of 6.76% over the course of the week, or so they truly thought. One day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 226,774,559.00 US dollars, while fundamentally complete market cap came to $9,997,957,224 USD. In every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking, there sort of are practically 139,330,486,384 in every way that really matters are available for use out of 139,330,486,384, which truly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin value examination. Doge cost examination for the 13th of May 2023 inside and in every way that really matters. Day-to-day time period by and large made sense of underneath. Genuinely further appearance how which truly brought about Bitcoin. S value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%, which most certainly is very huge. We utilize really relative strength index, moving in every practical sense, normal union and dissimilarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty basic moving genuinely normal and outstanding moving in every way that really matters, normal to in every way that really matters. Break down the future development of the Dogecoin, exhibiting that one day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 226,774,559.00 US dollars, while pretty all-out market cap came to $9,997,957,224 USD in a kind of huge manner. While Doge's Williams % R pointer in every practical sense is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange extremely signal in a real sense is by and large conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that yet prior to jumping sort of profound into the Doge specialized examination, really let us explicitly discuss the for the most part current economic situations, which by and large is very critical. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the essentially signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an especially significant way. Dogecoin financial backers need to in a real sense sit tight for any directional change over the sort of day-to-day outline, showing how backing and opposition really are significant specialized markers used to basically recognize exceptionally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how Doge falls 6.76% in 7 days in a very large manner. The genuinely relative strength file shows that the Dogecoin basically is in oversold stage, as RSI by and large is at 24, which basically shows that while Doge's Williams % R pointer certainly is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. The exchange pretty sign certainly is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that however prior to plunging extremely profound into the Doge specialized examination, sort of let us in every way that really matters discuss the very current